People will come to the theater just to see humans, unfiltered by any electricity or any kind of editing or photoshopping or anything. It's just nice to see that. We gotta be in the room with people. And to me, that was the idea of this, which was not our idea. It's the deepest place in people's souls.
It's not a play that we're narrators of. We're actually talking to people directly in the audience. So I think the simplicity is helpful.
There was something about people being together in a room, talking about it. The theater at its best is a very healing thing. You can feel it in your skin. I mean, which is the thing I love the most about the theater, the way the room changes. Like Lope de Vega's thing, a platform and a passion or two. And that's what we felt this should be.
I had read Brian and Ron's book, and I was really sort of puzzled when a friend invited me to come see it as to how the hell they would turn it into something that would be performed. And I was pleasantly surprised that it worked out really good.
The book is called About Grief, is the title, and the subtitle is Insights, Setbacks, Grace Notes, and Taboos. We're just starting here. This is the second official performance of the show.
I took 1/3 of an Ambien, 1/3. I had to use the tweezers to get the thing in my mouth.
We felt we were kind of talking about it in a different way, that most of the grief books we found were either memoirs of a big, long grief that a lot of people didn't want to go through again, or they were sort of clinical.
I thought it was really remarkable that we could listen and hear and feel.
It was funny, it was right, it was true and honest and some sad.
I wish I would have brought my friend, her husband that just died. I thought it might have been too much for her, so we didn't bring her, but we're going to bring her back. It's appropriate.
I studied a lot of things in my life, and this is the one subject that I find I came away from it feeling more affirmed about what people are. That's not true of any other subject you study for fun, but it's a very life-affirming thing, and it's a love-affirming thing. And how long people love, and how deeply they love, and how funny they love in some ways.
It is not just a very heavy thing. It is a very real-life-based thing.
We've had a lot of people who've been scared of the whole notion of the show. That there's a zillion other things people will talk about.
Taking drugs like a degenerate.
The play is about love as much as it is about anything, I think, from beginning to end.
I felt like in a cocoon of people surrounding me with a sense really of love.
Well, I thought it was really sweet, and I probably shouldn't say this, but I laughed a lot.
Like saying, instead of having a sandwich, try licking some envelope.
It needed the fun parts, and the fun parts were fun.
Thank you very much for being on our.
Thank you all. Thank you all very, very much.
Thank you.
Spread the word.